Good. Hello everybody. I'm a little wasted, so maybe I don't know. Maybe I just fell asleep right here, laying on the table. I don't know. So let's start. Of course, I only have 5 minutes. So I want to talk about building lean API with Node.js. What does it mean, lean? Okay, very slim APIs. So it's more like you need a little, I don't know, a hacky API. Yeah, not really production ready, but more a prototype API. Playing around with it, right? And with Node.js, it's super easy to set up because most of the cool stuff is already built in the language itself. It's native. Yeah, let's go. This presentation I published under this bit.ly short link here, lean minus API. You can follow it and yeah, open up on your own computers. So let's go. Something about me, I'm making software. I'm from Berlin, by the way, making software since 1992 as a little boy, so with 12. I started coding BASIC on C64. Commodore, and yeah, and grow from that, from BASIC, whatever, Turbo Pascal, C, C++, a lot of different languages I found out, so, and played around. And I'm growing vegetables since 2012, so I moved out of Berlin to a small village, bought a farm, and now I also live outside of Berlin. I work in Berlin, but I live outside, and yeah, growing vegetables as well. So I work for Hitfox at the moment, yeah, as a DevOps hacker. Good. Took care about their infrastructure and that stuff. So let's go. The agenda: a general problem, a real-world example, and then the solution with Node.js, and then a little small demo. So the general problem: you have to fetch data from an organization. Yeah. So you say, oh, that's not a problem. You just use their API, web service or whatever, but there's no web services or any other API, especially when you want to have fetch data from an organization that you know you're not working for. Like gathering, fetching data from different sources, but you're not allowed officially. You know. So the real-world example in this case is the public transportation service of Berlin. They don't have an API. Yeah, they just have a website. So let's open it up. Yeah, huge website, yeah, fantastic. Oh, some glitches. Okay, but you can see, right? It's like in the 80s, right? The TV set. So no high definition. So yeah, they have this journey planner. So from to you want to know something about the departures of different yeah, transportation, you know, vehicles and that stuff. And yeah, that's a problem. They don't have an API. So I really want to use their data, yeah, to get departures, for example, for different stations. Oh, thanks, man. Can I start from yeah? Again? Okay, I have really hurry. Wow. Does it work? No. Wait for it. So this is a beautiful Yosemite Park, I guess, right? You see here. I've never been there, but it should be beautiful, right? I clone, yeah, I clone. How hard? I should really hard clone that. Monitors, maybe. Where is it? Yeah, synchronize it. Like this? Yeah, whoo, finally. Great, great. Good, good. Again, back to the presentation. Again. Okay, so public transportation service of Berlin, real-world example, solution with Node.js. I hacked that, as you can see the source here on GitHub. And I just want to show you what technologies I use. So it's very easy. I used Cheerio to extract data from HTML DOM tree. So I really parse their website, you know, website scraping like this. And I used Restify to serve the extracted data via NREST API, nothing else. So what I did, yeah, they have this, this mobile website. So it's less HTML, of course. So I passed this instead of their huge website, of course. Yeah, let's sneak into the code a little bit, maybe. Yeah, API. So that's it. That's my API. Yeah, 67 lines of code. I use Cheerio to parse the DOM on the server side, right, to grab the data out of the DOM, and did nice stuff here. Get stations and departures. And that's it. And you can sneak into the code as you want. I don't have much time, so let's go back maybe. And just, it's demo time. So I deployed it to Heroku, the small API. So also you can have here this, oops, no. Damn it, here. So that's it. That's the API. So I was just parsing the information from the mobile website, and yeah, just created this stuff. So it shows you you given a street name. It just gives out yeah, it's hypermedia. So you click on it. Yeah, and you get all the departures here with date, time, the line, and then also the direction, and it was quite easy. So it was just 67 lines of code, and that's it. So very hacky, but it's a lot of fun, really, and it's great for extending, extending simple websites to an unofficial API, yeah, that you can use for mobile applications, for example, to fetch data somewhere, and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm over the time. Sorry. Any questions? Yeah, I know that, of course. I love it. But yeah, I used to do that stuff by my own. But because it was so damn fucking easy, really, to do that. Anything else? Any other questions? Great. You're a great audience, by the way, and this is a great conference as well.
Thanks, Krispin.
Thanks.